It took me a while, but one day, I made a decision that changed my life. I set a goal to make $100,000 in a year. No more excuses, no more hesitation. I was ready to do whatever it took, crazy challenges, side hustles, businesses, anything legal and smart to make it happen. Day 1, the decision that changed everything. I started with nothing but a goal and a plan. I had no rich family, no investor, just my phone, my computer, and my willingness to work. I had no idea how, but I knew one thing: every dollar I made had to work for me. Day 2, first steps, first earnings. I made my first $8 using money-making apps. Not much, right? But here's the secret: once you start making money and using it wisely, you'll find ways to make even more. Small wins stack up fast. Want to learn how to handle and multiply your money? Drop a comment below. Day 3, side hustles and small wins. I needed more income sources, so I got creative. I made $4 from money apps and received a $12 donation. Then, I started doing small jobs in my neighborhood, trimming trees, helping people move, anything to stack up more cash. It wasn't a lot, but I wasn't stopping here.
It's day 4 of my, and I just made a big move. I took every dollar I've made so far and invested it into Bitcoin. Right now, my total is $54, and instead of spending it, I'm letting it sit in BTC, hoping it goes up over time while I keep adding more to it. I also made $25 from my fundraiser, which is a big help toward my goal. That brings my total to $79.
Now, let me be real, fundraising takes a lot of begging, so I wouldn't recommend it. But keep watching, because I'm about to show you how I turned my small daily $10 to $20 into a $10,000 daily income. Day 5, selling stuff for fast cash.
I sold a bunch of stuff I don't need and made $300. Clearing out my space and stacking cash at the same time. That's a win-win. And just like before, I'm putting this money straight into Bitcoin, hoping it grows over time while I keep grinding for more. That brings my total to $379.
Tip: if you're willing to take an extra risk, sell things you can buy back later. The key is investing in yourself with that money. Day 6, the smart flip strategy.
I spent $150 from my savings to buy candy that's hard to find in certain places, then resold it for a higher price, and made $120 in profit. Every dollar counts, and I'm stacking up little by little. That brings my total to $499.
Here's a tip: go on Facebook Marketplace, buy undervalued products, research their true price, and sell them for even $1 more. It takes patience, but it works.
It's day 7 of I had a job interview, so I didn't get a chance to make money. But the fundraiser pulled in $50, so we're still making progress. That brings my total to $549. It's day 8, and after the first week, I realized I did way too much work for too little money. So this week, I switched things up. I found one method, got a 35-year-old pedophile, and made $300 in a single move. If you want to know how I did it, comment methods, and I'll show you. That brings my total to $849.
Day 9, my wildest business idea yet. I took a big risk. I hired 3 homeless guys and paid them $100 each to wash cars for me. They washed 75 cars at $20 per car. Guess how much I made? $1,500. But then, I got shut down. Turns out, I needed a license to operate. Day 10, my first online business. I got another job, and I quit instantly again. Instead, I started dropshipping, where you buy a product from a manufacturer, they add your logo, and ship it straight to customers. I never even touched the product. This is hard and takes strategy, so pick the right products to sell.
It's day 10 of my $100,000 challenge, and today I had a big realization. I got the job I applied for, but I quit immediately. Why? Because they were paying $15 an hour, while I just made $1,000 in one day from my own hustle. No way I was gonna settle for that. Instead, I started a new online business I found. Basically, I list products online, and when someone buys, the original company sends the product to another company to add my logo, then ships it directly to the customer. I never even touched the product. I listed a $30 product and made 3 sales, meaning I only paid $15 per item and kept the profit. On top of that, I'm also working on getting my license so I can bring back my car wash business legally. Once that's set, it's gonna be big. That brings my total to $1,984. Business moves are happening, and this is just the start. Subscribe to my journey, and let's see how far we can go. It's day 11 of my $100,000 challenge, and today was all about expanding my income streams. First, I reopened my car wash, and even though I didn't hit my first day numbers, I still made $750, not bad for getting back in business. At the same time, I went harder on my online business and listed even more products. That paid off because I made $400 in sales. That brings my total to $3,134. Every day, I'm figuring out new ways to grow this challenge. Subscribe to my journey, and let's see how far we can take this. It's day 12 of my $100,000 challenge, and things just took a wild turn. I hired a former manager who was homeless, gave her full control, and told her to do whatever it takes to make more money, and she did. She fired one employee, cut the other 2 workers' pay to $50 each, and put up posters to boost business, and somehow, we pulled in $2,700 from the car wash alone. Honestly, I don't love how she did it, but the results speak for themselves. Meanwhile, my online business, which is basically dropshipping, brought in another $1,000 in sales. That brings my total to $6,834. This journey is getting crazier every day. Subscribe to my journey, and let's see how far we can take this.
Final recap. How much did I make? Day 1 to 7, $470. Day 8, $300. Day 9, $1,500. Day 10, $0, drop shipping setup. Day 11, $1,150. Day 12, $3,700, $7,120 total. And that's how I turned small daily hustles into over $7,000 in less than 2 weeks. But this is just the start. My daily income kept growing, and I eventually started making nearly $10,000 a day. Do you want a part 2? Comment a 10K daily below, and I'll show you exactly how I scaled this into a 6-figure business.